Hello, radiant souls, and welcome to another inspiring episode of Mindful Busy Woman podcast. I am Sally AbdelAziz, your dedicated guide on the journey to empowerment and prosperity. As a women's empowerment coach, hypnotherapist, meditation teacher, Reiki Master, and advocate for diversity and inclusion, I'm deeply passionate about celebrating our differences and honoring the beauty of our shared humanity. Today, we are delving into the empowering topic of embracing diversity and inclusion. Diversity is not just a buzzword. It's a reflection of the rich tapestry of human experience. Each of us brings unique perspectives, backgrounds, and talents to the table, enriching our communities and shaping our collective story. But diversity is not enough. We must also strive for inclusion, the active embrace of all voices and experiences. So why is it essential to embrace diversity and inclusion? It's simple. Diversity fuels innovation, fosters creativity, and promotes empathy and understanding. When we celebrate our differences and honor each other's unique identities, we create a more vibrant and inclusive world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Let's hear some empowering stories from women of various backgrounds who have embraced their differences and found strength in their diversity. From overcoming adversity to breaking barriers, these women inspire us to embrace our uniqueness and celebrate the beauty of our shared humanity. One empowering story comes from Sarah, a trailblazing entrepreneur who found a successful business despite facing discrimination and skepticism due to her gender and ethnicity. Through perseverance and resilience, Sarah shattered stereotypes and paved the way for other women of color in her industry. Another inspiring tale comes from Maya, a passionate advocate of disability rights who has dedicated her life to breaking down barriers and promoting inclusivity. Despite facing numerous obstacles, Maya continues to fight for a more accessible and equitable world, reminding us that our differences are our greatest strength. Let's also celebrate the power of allyship and solidarity in fostering diversity and inclusion. When we stand together as allies, amplifying marginalized voices and advocating for justice and equality, we create a ripple effect of positive change that transcends boundaries and unites us in our shared humanity. As women, we have a unique opportunity and responsibility to lead the charge for diversity and inclusion in our communities and beyond. By embracing our differences and celebrating our shared humanity, we can create a world where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. As we conclude today's episode, I want to leave you with this empowering thought. Diversity is our greatest strength, and inclusion is our greatest gift. Let's continue to celebrate our differences, uplift each other, and build a more inclusive and equitable world for future generations. Thank you for joining me on Mindful Busy Woman podcast. If you found today's episode inspiring, be sure to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. And always remember, when we embrace unity and celebrate diversity, we create a world where everyone can thrive. Until next time, stay empowered, stay mindful, and keep shining bright. For your joy and success, your empowerment and prosperity coach, Sally AbdelAziz was with you from Apex Life Academy. Until next time, bye for now.